Did you know some of the best herbal teas don't come from the store? They can come straight from your garden. Today on CVC Gardens, I'll show you 4 easy-to-grow plants that make delicious, healthy teas right at home. First up, mint. It grows fast, spreads easily, and is perfect for fresh tea. Mint helps with digestion and can calm an upset stomach. Just snip a few leaves, steep in hot water, and enjoy. Next, chamomile. This daisy-like flower is known for its calming effects and can help improve sleep. Grow it in a sunny spot, harvest the flowers, and dry them for a gentle, soothing tea. Third, ginger. You can grow it right from a store-bought root. Ginger tea is great for easing nausea and boosting circulation. Just slice fresh ginger and steep it, adds a spicy kick with powerful benefits. And finally, hibiscus. Those bright red flowers aren't just pretty, they make a tangy tea that can help lower blood pressure and is packed with antioxidants. Grow it in warm weather and harvest the petals for a refreshing drink. So whether you're looking to relax, sleep better, or boost your health, these herbal teas can all come from your own garden. Start growing today and skip the store-bought bags. For more garden tips, hit like, subscribe, and join us here at CVC Gardens.